Welcome to Samaipata, Bolivia. We are about 3 hours southwest of Santa Cruz, which is easily accessible and definitely worth a visit. There are some really major key points and tourist attractions here in this little village. One, it's really known for its recent influx of expats from Europe after COVID. So there's lots of cute little cafes and restaurants and hostels and all sorts of activities for you to do as a tourist. And it's very affordable still here. And we have found that there's 3 great activities that we've enjoyed. The first one would be the fort. It's known as El Fuerte, and it's a UNESCO archaeological site, which is really quite interesting. It's a couple of mile hike around. It's well worth a visit. You can take a taxi there, and then it's a small fee to get in. You can either hire a guide or not to walk around, but you can also read all the signs as well. And the second thing that we really enjoyed was actually doing a waterfall hike, which was quite nice. Again, it's about a 2-mile loop. You can take a taxi, so you don't need to hire a tour. However, a couple of things that you do need a tour guide for is, the first thing is the Fern Forest, which is really what Samaipata is known for. It is absolutely stunning. It is a couple of mile hike, or 7-kilometer hike, up into the sky and down into the valley into the fern forest. And these ferns, while they grow some other places in the world, they are particularly known for this area because they grow up to 15 meters. They're over 1,000 years old. It is truly something stunning to see. As well as there's also a hike to go and try to see and view condors. We didn't do that, so I don't have much information on it, but this has been a great visit. I strongly suggest this town in Bolivia for your next visit. First waterfall of our walk.